Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete empty rows on your sheets on Google Sheets. There is two methods to delete your empty rows. First, open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. The first way is to filter or to apply a filter on your data. So after I will apply a filter, let's just click on this one. And here we will filter by value. Now let's clear all the selections and I will only select blanks. Clear. And then we will click on OK. As you can see, now all it remains is the blank rows. So now I will have the ability to just delete them by right click on the rows and only delete selected rows. So now after I will delete my filter or uh, clear my filter, we will find that our rows or the empty rows have been deleted. Let's do another way is by using duplicate remover add-on. To add it, you just go to get add-ons and search for remove duplicates, and install this add-on too. So now we will find duplicates and we will search for this range here and we will go we choose this range, then we will go for next and find duplicates and don't skip empty cells. We choose match headers and then it will delete the row within selection, or you can just fill them so you can delete them manually. But this method will be functional if you don't have some duplicates, or otherwise it will delete your data as well if you need these duplicates. So for example, now it will delete the empty rows because they are the duplicates. Let's do it again. Go like this and we will choose our data range next, and we want this one so it will include the first instance, so it will delete both of empty rows. Then next, and we will do exactly as we did now. So as you can see, the both empty rows has been deleted. As I told you, if for example I had for example like this and plus the empty rows, it will delete your item 8 for example, or the duplicates. So make sure when using this method you don't have any other duplicates rather than except the blank rows. So those are the methods how to delete the blank rows. Thank you for watching and goodbye.